Hello, all. Good morning. How are you? I hope all of you are doing great. Welcome to your ICT class. This is video number 38 on chapter 8 Presentations Made Attractive. So, in our last class, we have done activity 5 of this chapter, that is animating characters. Animation means it is a technique which is used to give motion to the characters in a presentation. So, how did we do that? First of all, we have to select the text or the picture that is to be animated. Then we have to select the icon for animation in the sidebar. Click on that to open the animation window. Then there you can see a plus button. Click on that plus button. Then under that there is a box which contains various effects. We can select the required effect from that. So this is how we can give animation or motion to the characters in a presentation. The learning objective for today's class is to learn how to animate the slides. So in our last class we have studied how to animate the characters in the slides, and today we are going to study how to animate the slides. So first of all, let's open the presentation that we have prepared. Open Home folder, Documents folder. In that presentation. Okay, this is the presentation that we have prepared. We have prepared 3 slides. We have typed the contents in it. We have changed the font size, font color and font style of the text. We have given a background color to the slides. Then we have inserted pictures and we have given animation or motion to the characters in this slides. We have given motion to the pictures and text in each slides. Now we are going to give animation to the slides. Animating the slides means it is the manner in which slides appear during a slideshow. Okay, so while viewing the presentation in a slideshow manner, how does each slides appear? If the slides appear in different manner, the presentation will be more attractive and catchy. Okay, so we can arrange the manner in which the slide should appear during the presentation, and that is known as slide transition. Okay, so now we are going to study how to animate the slides, and that is known as slide transition. That means the manner in which the slides appear during a slideshow. Okay, so how to give animation to the slides, or how to add slide transition. Okay, so for that we have a slide transition icon here in the sidebar. Click on this to open the slide transition window. Here we can see many effects in this box. Transition effects. We can select the required effect from this box. So let's check some of the effects. First one is wipe. Okay, now next is wheel, uncover, bars, checkers. Okay, so we have many transition effects here. We can select the required one from this box. Then we have other options also. See here, duration. We can give the duration of that transition here. Here it is given 2 seconds. If you want to change it, we can place the mouse pointer here. Then delete this and we can type the required duration there. Then we have an option to include sound effects also. Click here. We can see there are many sound effects. We can select the required one if we need. Then here in this advanced options, we have an option on mouse click and automatically after. This means whether the slide should appear on a mouse click or automatically after the time duration that we have given. Okay. If we select this first option on mouse click, we have to click on the mouse in order to get the next slides. If we select the second option automatically after and give a time duration here, then the slides will appear automatically after the given time duration. Okay, so this is how we can give animation to the slides. So first we have selected the first slide. Then we have selected an transition effect. Now we can select the second slide. Then we can give another effect. Now we'll select the third slide. Then we can select another effect. Okay, now we have given animation to all the slides. Now let's view this in slideshow. So from slideshow menu, select the first option, start from first slide. Okay, so we have learned how to animate the characters in the slides and how to animate the slides. That means how to give motion to the characters in the slides, also how to give motion to the slides. The order or the manner in which the slides appear during a slideshow, that is known as slide transition. So how do we give slide transition? First we have to select the required slide. Then here we have a slide transition icon in the sidebar. Click on that to open the slide transition window. Then in this box we have many effects. We can select the required effect from this. Then we can give the time duration. We can include sound effects if we need. Then we have an advanced option, that is whether the slide should appear on a mouse click or it should appear automatically after the given time duration. Then after giving the effects, we can view it in slideshow. That is, click on the slideshow menu, then select the first option, that is start from first slide. Then we can see the slides in a slideshow manner. Okay, now in your textbook page number 130 in Let's Evaluate section, some questions are given. Let's do these. First question is, which of the following characteristics did you find in a presentation software that was different from a word processor? Okay, so here 4 options are given. First one is characters can be given color. So characters can be given color in both presentation as well as in word processor. Second one is page can be given color. This one also we can do in presentation software as well as word processor. Third one is picture can be inserted. We can insert pictures in presentation as well as word processor. Last one is animation can be given. Can we give animation to the characters in a word processor? No. But we can give animation to the characters in a presentation, right? We can give animation to the characters, that means the text and images inserted in the slides, and we can also give animation to the slides. But we can't give animation in a word processor. So the answer for this question is animation can be given. So this is the characteristic that we can find in a presentation software but not in a word processor. Okay, so the answer is option D, animation can be given. Second question is, storyboard is prepared while making a multimedia presentation dash. First option is to decide the content of a slide in advance. Second one, to save the presentation. Third, to create text box. And fourth one, to make the projector working. So why we are preparing a storyboard? Is it to save the presentation? No. Then is it to create a text box? No. To create a text box, we have a tool in the toolbar. Then is it to make the projector working? No. So for what we are making a storyboard? Actually, the storyboard is a outline of the presentation. So before making the presentation, we have to prepare a outline. That means we have to decide how and where the text, table, pictures, etc. should be displayed in the or should be placed in the slide. So we are preparing a storyboard in advance to decide the contents of a slide. So the answer for this question is option A, to decide the content of a slide in advance. Third question is, animation is given to a presentation dash. Why we are giving animation to the presentation? First option, to show the slides in an attractive manner. Second one, to give motion to characters and images. Third one, to type the content. And fourth one, to give colors to the characters. Animation means to give motion. The answer for this question is option B, to give motion to characters and images. So animation means to give motion to the characters and images. You may get confused with the option A, that is to show the slides in an attractive manner. Giving animation to slides means it is known as slide transition. Okay, animation means giving motion to characters and images. Then showing the slides in an attractive manner or giving animation or motion to slides, that is known as transition, slide transition. Okay, so don't get confused with animation and transition. Animation means giving motion to characters and images. Transition means showing the slides in an attractive manner. Okay, so the answer for this question is to give motion to characters and images. Now the last question is, slide transition in a presentation is, I have said just now, slide transition means giving animation or motion to the slides, how the slides appear, the manner in which the slides appear in a slideshow presentation. So what will be the answer for this question? Option A is to show the inserted picture in a slide as the presenter likes. No. Second one, to give a background color. No. Third one, to decide the order of appearance of slide. And fourth one is to type the content. Okay, so the answer for this question is to decide the order of appearance of slides, the manner in which or the order in which the slides appear in a slideshow presentation. That is known as slide transition. Okay. Now let's summarize what we have learned in today's class. We have done activity 6, that is animating slides. Animating slides means the manner in which the slides appear during a slideshow manner. We can arrange the manner in which the slide should appear in the presentation, and that is known as slide transition. Okay, now you have a homework in your textbook, page number 131. In extended activities, 4 questions are given or 4 activities are given. The activities are to prepare presentations related to various topics. So those who have computers or laptops at your home, try to do any one of the activity given in extended activities in your textbook. Okay, 4 activities are given. Try to do any one activity from that. So by this video, we are completing chapter 8. I hope all of you have understood the topics that we have learned in this chapter. See you next class. Bye.